In the ever-evolving landscape of business technology, companies often find themselves transitioning between different software solutions. This is particularly true in the realm of accounting, where new platforms emerge and existing ones evolve. If you've been using Bookkeeper 360, a popular solution for accounting and advisory services, and are now considering a change or a deeper integration with your historical data, a crucial question arises. What if I have historical Bookkeeper 360 needs? As an accounting software expert, I understand that historical data isn't just old information. It's the bedrock of your financial understanding, compliance, and future planning. It contains invaluable insights into past performance, tax obligations, and business trends. Therefore, managing this historical data effectively during or after a transition from a platform like Bookkeeper 360 is paramount. Let's break down the implications and strategies for handling your historical Bookkeeper 360 data. Understanding Bookkeeper 360's core functionality. First, it's important to recognize what Bookkeeper 360 primarily offers. Bookkeeper 360 isn't standalone accounting software like QuickBooks Desktop or Xero. Instead, it's a financial technology company that provides outsourced bookkeeping and advisory services, often leveraging platforms like QuickBooks Online as their underlying accounting software. They act as a layer of expertise, automation, and reporting on top of these core accounting systems. This distinction is critical. When you have historical Bookkeeper 360 needs, you're likely referring to the historical financial data residing in the underlying accounting software, most commonly QuickBooks Online, that Bookkeeper 360 managed for you. The historical reports, dashboards, and insights generated by Bookkeeper 360's own proprietary tools or integrations. The historical work papers and documentation related to the services Bookkeeper 360 provided. Therefore, addressing your historical needs means strategically managing these three aspects. Strategy 1. The underlying accounting software data, e.g. QuickBooks Online. This is typically the most crucial part of your historical data. Since Bookkeeper 360 often uses QuickBooks Online, QBO, as the ledger, your primary financial transactions, charts of accounts, vendor lists, customer lists, and past reconciliation data will be stored directly within your QBO subscription. Your options here are generally straightforward. Continue with QuickBooks Online. If you're staying with QuickBooks Online but just changing your bookkeeping service or taking it in-house, your historical data simply remains in your QBO account. You retain full access to it. You can generate reports, review past transactions, and continue from where Bookkeeper 360 left off. This is the simplest scenario. Export from QuickBooks Online for archival. If you're moving away from QuickBooks Online to a completely different accounting software, e.g., Xero, NetSuite, a desktop solution, you will need to export your historical data from QBO. QuickBooks Online allows you to export various reports, e.g., general ledger, profit and loss, balance sheet, into Excel or PDF formats. You can also export lists, customers, vendors, chart of accounts. This export serves as your comprehensive historical record. While you generally can't import an entire QBO history into a different accounting system seamlessly, having these detailed exports is essential for reference, audit purposes, and recreating opening balances in your new system. Maintain a read-only QBO subscription. For very complex or audit-heavy historical needs, some businesses choose to maintain a minimal, read-only QuickBooks Online subscription for a period after migrating to a new system. This provides immediate, interactive access to the full historical QBO file without the cost of a full subscription, though you would need to confirm QuickBooks-specific policies on this. Key takeaway for QBO data. Your financial transactions are usually secure within your own QBO subscription, even if Bookkeeper 360 stops managing it. The key is knowing how to access and export it if you're migrating platforms. Strategy 2. Bookkeeper 360's proprietary reports and dashboards. Bookkeeper 360 provides its clients with custom dashboards, performance reports, and financial insights that go beyond standard QBO reports. These are often presented through their client portal or custom integrations. How to handle this historical data. Download all available reports. Before concluding your service with Bookkeeper 360, Or if you're just looking to archive, go through their client portal and download every report, dashboard snapshot, and custom insight that is relevant to your historical understanding. Save them in PDF or spreadsheet formats. This ensures you have a static record of the performance metrics and analyses they provided. Understand data sources. Recognize that the data powering these reports likely came from your underlying QBO file. While the presentation may be unique to Bookkeeper 360, the raw figures are, or should be, auditable back to QBO. Replicate a new system. If possible, if you're moving to a new accounting or reporting system, you might be able to recreate similar dashboards and reports using the data imported into your new system, though the exact look and feel will likely differ. This requires mapping your new system's data structure to the metrics you used to track. Key takeaway for proprietary reports. These are valuable historical insights. Proactively download them for your records as they might not be easily accessible after your service agreement ends. Strategy 3. Work papers and documentation. Bookkeeper 360, as a service provider, maintains internal work papers, reconciliation files, and potentially other documentation related to your accounts. What you should request. Period-end reconciliations. Ask for copies of bank reconciliations, credit card reconciliations, and any other balance sheet reconciliations they performed. These are crucial for audit trails. Adjusting journal entries. Request a list or copies of any significant adjusting journal entries they made. Tax documentation. Ensure you have copies of any tax-related documents they prepared or helped you file, e.g., sales tax filings, payroll tax reports if they assisted with that. Communication records. While not strictly accounting data, having records of key communications regarding financial decisions or issues can be very helpful historically. Key takeaway for documentation. Ensure a smooth handover. Proactively communicate with Bookkeeper 360 to request copies of all relevant work papers and documentation. The importance of a clean break and communication. Regardless of your specific historical needs, the process of transitioning away from or even just archiving data from any service provider like Bookkeeper 360 benefits from clear communication. Discuss your historical data needs with Bookkeeper 360 well in advance of any service changes. Understand their data retention policies and what they provide upon termination. Data export checklist. Create a comprehensive checklist of all reports, data exports, and documents you need to retrieve. Verification. Once you receive exported data, perform spot checks to ensure completeness and accuracy. Archiving strategy. Decide how you will store your historical data. Cloud storage solutions, external hard drives, or secure network drives are common choices. Ensure it's easily retrievable for future reference or audits.